Hi everyone, welcome to Rita Be Creative. Today I will share with you how to make paper roses as seen in the do-it-yourself Valentine's Day backdrop video. I will also show you how to create your own template and custom colors. So let's get started. This template was used to create the different size roses in the Valentine's video. Each petal is exactly 1 inch larger than the next. Take a sheet of cardstock and fold it in half the long way. Using the open side, cut out your desired petal shape. I am in love with hearts, which is why the top of my templates are heart-shaped. In this tutorial, I am cutting a standard shape petal. You can customize your petal to your liking. Now that you have the basics, just repeat this process. Remember, there should be a 1 inch difference between each petal. Three of the smaller petals will be used in this video. Now lay out your template, trace and cut. My petals are cut and ready to go. There are 16 small petals. 8 will be used to create the rosebud. The other 8 will be used as additional petals. There are 12 medium-sized petals and 8 larger petals. To prep, curl the top of all petals. You can use a scoring tool to create the curl. I use my hands. It's best to do this with a stack of petals to get a nice smooth curl. Again, I am using 8 petals to create the rosebud. Take notice that the curl part is spaced up. Here, I am showing how the bud will be formed before adding glue. Make a 1 to 1/2 inch cut at the bottom of the petals. Take notice that petal curls should be facing down. Add glue to one side of the cut and bring the other side over, causing the petal to lift. I will show this again with the larger petal. This technique helps the rose to form beautifully without using a lot of manipulation and extra glue. I trust this video has been helpful and informative. A special thank you and welcome to all new subscribers. If you're new to this channel and enjoy videos like this, kindly subscribe to help us reach the goal of 1,000 subscribers by 2020. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are informed each time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.